What's going on YouTube? Exhaust Power. If you haven't watched the last video, or if I didn't post the last video, you'd either know why this is sitting here, or you wouldn't know why this is sitting here. But we're going to jump into the mix here, and we got a box sitting around the corner. We're going to go ahead and unbox it, and we're going to figure out what's in it. Alright, let's see what's in the box. What are these things? Let's see. Look at that. Got some seat covers specifically for the Prelude. And I'll do a little review on this, so I'll make a separate video for the review. Explain everything, what's going on, but we'll fast forward to me installing this thing. I bought this one off of eBay. I'll show you a picture real quick. It runs about $200. You can get the rear seats as well for an additional $200. I did not at the moment, but I probably will within the next couple months get the rear seats. I think I'm just going to go ahead and start modifying the interior, because my interior used to be blue because it is an S model. I decided I wanted to upgrade everything to the VTEC and put the leather seats in there and the black interior. And after a while, I'm like, a lot of vehicles come with black leather interior. I want that old blue interior back. So I was thinking of going ahead and trying to swap cloth seats and stuff back in there, but Preludes are just getting hard to find in the junkyard, so this is my next solution. Go with blue leather instead. And I do want to work on other small trim pieces in the interior to also transform it to blue, like the leather pockets that are in the door cards and stuff. I want to put those. I want to take them out and wrap them with the blue leather as well, and maybe the armrest, wrap that with the blue leather. So yeah, make sure you watch the review if you want more in-detailed information, and we'll just jump ahead here and see how things fit. So I got the blue seat in there, and it looks really nice. It's really vibrant, stands out from the black interior. Don't worry about the dirty floor. We're working on that, but yeah, those leather trims right there I want to get in blue. And those coin sockets are still blue, but they don't really match. Different type of blue from the factory. I mean, my steering wheel is blue. You can't really even tell that thing is blue, really. So I was thinking about doing like a blue rug, but that's probably too much blue. I didn't think the blue was going to be so popish. And I'll probably just do the seats in blue and leave it at that, to be honest, because this blue is very vibrant. So I'm going to work on taking the driver's seat out. And the seat is very easy to remove. There's two 14 millimeters up front and two 12 millimeters in the rear. And it should only take you like 2-3 minutes to take it out. So